Okay guys, this is my review of VIVAX mini fridge. So you got minimum, and then off, minimum, medium, max, over freeze, I don't know. I'll leave it like this. We got ice straw here. Sorry to say this, guys, but there's no Wi-Fi in this location. Ooh, we got 3 trust speeders. We got trust speeder number 1, trust speeder number 2. It's a little bit plastic, and then trust speeder number 3. You could take like this. This was my review of VIVAX mini fridge. I'll upload video about this when I get to the location with Wi-Fi. Bye!